and welcome to another Telekinesis video. Today we're gonna talk about the question, which kinesis is the easiest? The easiest for you to learn, the easiest for everybody to do. And that, as usual, it depends. Everybody has his own strengths. My personal strength is aerokinesis, the ability over the air. But you might be different. You might be better at hydrokinesis, the ability over water, or maybe pyrokinesis, the ability over fire, or telekinesis, the ability over matter. So I need you to experiment with that. Try different kinesises and then see which one feels best. And a little hint: when you practice a certain kinesis, you automatically improve all the others. That's how telekinesis works. When you practice aerokinesis, your telekinesis is going to improve. When you practice pyrokinesis, also your hydrokinesis is going to improve. Because we don't train the kinesis, we train our brain. And the stronger our brain is, the stronger our mind is. So, you can also improve weaknesses. I told you before, aerokinesis is my strength. Pyrokinesis is my weakness. I can keep improving my strength, aerokinesis, but I can also work on my weakness, pyrokinesis. I do both. I spend a lot of time practicing telekinesis. So, I practice all of them. Not in the same time, of course. I do one day I do this, another day I do that. That's how I practice kinesises. You've seen my recent videos. I've just been practicing. I've been doing pyrokinesis, telekinesis. I was working on my fine motor skills when it comes to telekinesis. And I'm gonna practice, I think, hydrokinesis next. So, I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. I'm here to help you. And have a good day.